Hello, all. Welcome to our channel. So first of all, how to create the video and post the content on Facebook, Instagram, and how we can generating leads, Facebook, Instagram option. So first of all, I'm selecting option name is called Shri Mitra Physiotherapy and Occupation Center. First of all, I make the video. Just I'm download the video will be by using Canva. So video will be making Canva is a very comfortable and create the video. And after creating video, what are our content we have to provide the services? All content will be copied from here. It is the poster content. After this one, the video will be published at a time Facebook, Instagram purpose. We can using for Facebook business shoot option. But here, this option will be create a reel option will be here, selected by the reel. After creating reel, so what are the options we have? Select by the reel option. Here you can upload the video. Just I'm upload the video here. Give me the seconds time. So video is uploaded. After this one, click for next, and when uploading time will be anything required to change your cover image. These are the particular cover image we have. So click for next, and next click for share this video. At a time the video will be published by the Facebook and Instagram option. So both video we can publish by the Facebook and Instagram option. So wait for the video will uploading here. Once we can upload the video, we can reach more audience purpose, engagement purpose. We have to two related option. Lead purpose we can generating for engagement ad with the lead option, or else we have generating for awareness purpose we create by the awareness ad to reach the more audience in a particular video. So that is called, go to option name is called facebook.com/manage. That is called we can creating ad will be into the using Instagram post or Facebook post. Anything will be applicable. After this one, so what are the previous ad? You can stop it. So I'm clicking for ad will be create the ad. Select your people know about your business or video more reaching to the audience. Click for awareness ad. Click for continue. Or else I can create by engagement audience. At a time we can receive by the WhatsApp message, Instagram Messenger, and the Facebook Messenger purpose. We can go with the engagement option. So I am looking for business leads, a post reach, everything you can click for the engagement option. So calls purpose. I can only for reaching awareness when people will watch your video. Click for our business. Less budget, more reach. Click for awareness option. Click for continue. Who are people watching your video? The immediate you can call by using business option. Add 2024. In this first step, don't create any option. Next step, ads. Your page is selected. Daily budget, I can go with the option name is 85 rupees. After this one, I'm selecting for particular my location. My location will be, where our location will be here. I can using my particular location. So in a location will be give the radiance. It am give up to here. Or else I can go, this option will be here. This one we can this. So suppose I'm not interested to this much of field. I can add by the manual option like anything. So here it is called. So we can give by here it is called here. So here's the radiance. I can create by the radiance will be up to 5 kilometers. After this one, based on the radius, they can reach will be 4,000 to 12,000 reach. After this placement will be, we can always select it by the advantage plus placement. If you go for manual placement, select that the manual placement also will be there. Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, audience network. So where you can place the ad will be, we can place your particular ads. But we are selected by the, this will be automatically given by the advantages plus placements. You could get better result with advantage plus placement here. So click this option. So here only thing is called, you can select your particular place and kilometers and your particular budget, everything. So here I'm can reach my ad will be every person's, not for the particular one person. who are looking for your problems, they can reach in the my particular related services. So always ad creation, you can select it by the not create a new ad. Always using for existing post and select your particular post option where I can create the video. The video you can select it will be here and click for continue. Why I'm selecting for Instagram post is nothing but if your reels will be how many views. The views here is the 5,000, 20,000. So the views will be increasing purpose. I can show your particular count purpose. We can add your particular Instagram post. After this post, you can simply click for publish this ad. So what are the preview option? Everything we can visible by here itself. So this is all your particular preview option. So when you click for variation, these all kind of platforms, this visible by your particular ad itself. So that mean by who are looking for your service, immediately they will contact your particular service will be here and send message by using Facebook and Instagram option. Engagement, they will be connected with your WhatsApp also. This will be connected with your Facebook and Instagram also, which is a necessary. We can use the particular option. So compulsory less budget reading for more audience, this is a particular option will be useful by the audience itself. So after this one is showing account error. When adding the payment, it will showing for under review. After that, it will go to the acceptance by the your particular ad itself. So here add the particular funds. So per day how much budget you can. For testing purpose, I'm adding for 50 rupees and is it going to the UPI payment like Phone Pay and Google Pay scanner, Paytm scanner, any scanner will applicable by this UPI payment. So just enable by UPI payment and add your particular QR code and add your particular budget on your particular payment. So simple add your particular payment here and generating leads by use your budget. So compulsory follow the steps and create ad each and every post to reach the audience purpose. Less budget, more reach will be awareness ad will be helping to the customers to awareness about your particular service. So that is compulsory utilize each and every product purpose. So this will be help to adding the budget. After that, go to campaign. This campaign will be showing for no ads. After review, after that, it is going to the active stage. First, they show you will be no ads. No need to worry. After no ads, it will show for ads under review. It will applicable by the in your product and reach the particular audience. If any further question, please contact our channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.